What is the net worth of Olivia Rodrigo? Actually, Olivia Rodrigo's net worth has skyrocketed since the beginning of 2021. Please subscribe our channel, like and share. Please press the bell icon for latest videos. Californian Olivia Isabel Rodrigo is an American singer-songwriter and actress. She gained recognition with her lead roles on the Disney television programs Bizaardvark and High School Musical, the series. After signing with Geffen and Interscope Records, Rodrigo released her debut single Driver's License in 2021, which broke various records and became one of the best-selling songs of the year, propelling her to mainstream fame. She followed it up with the singles Deja Vu and Good For You. Rodrigo's debut studio album, Sour, 2021, topped charts globally and was met with widespread critical acclaim. She is nominated in 7 categories at the 64th Annual Grammy Awards, including Best New Artist, Album of the Year for Sour, and Record of the Year and Song of the Year for Driver's License. Time named her the 2021 Entertainer of the Year and Billboard named her the 2022 Woman of the Year. These days, you cannot go somewhere except listening to Olivia Rodrigo's lovely songs and music. The 18-year-old has entirely taken over the song scene with her particularly catchy choruses and bridges that make you choose to whip out a hairbrush and dance round the room. But Olivia's superstar isn't always the solely factor on the rise. Her internet really worth is as well, and in 2021 alone, the singer has racked in a lot of dough. Unsurprisingly, her tune most possibly makes up a massive proportion of this paycheck. In case you forgot, Driver's License used to be a biggest and smash hit and grew to be the first tune to pass by 1 billion streams on Spotify in 2021. The relaxation of her album used to be additionally a hit on the charts. In fact, Olivia has been so successful, she even has Spotify Tremble. We've by no means viewed something like this, the place you do have a more modern artist that simply comes out of the gate in such a dominant way and simply continues to grow, Spotify's Global Hits lead Becky Bass advised Billboard. I mean, we had been like, whoa, these first day numbers are huge. And then they have been higher the second day, better the 1/3 day, so it definitely feels exceptional and probable as unprecedented. On December 1, Spotify's 2021 Wrapped arrived and published that now not solely used to be Olivia's Driver's License the quantity one most streamed track of the year, however that Sour in its entirety was once the most streamed album globally. Driver's License garnered over 1.1 billion streams. And, in accordance to lookup by means of Orpheus Audio Academy, the common payout per flow on Spotify is $0.003. Of course, that charge varies per country, and unique streaming systems like Apple Music and Deezer pay between $0.006 and $0.007 per stream. Multiply that by means of 1 billion, and that is a rather penny. However, Olivia has interpolated quite a few songs on her album. She gave writing credit to Taylor Swift, Jack Antonoff, and St. Vincent for the have an impact on their unique work on New Year's Day and Cruel Summer had on Olivia's songs. Liv additionally gave Hayley Williams and the former guitarist of Paramore, Joshua Farro, credit score for imposing factors from their 2007 smash hit, Misery Business, into Good For You. Because of this, Olivia paid out $1.2 million in royalties to Paramore and shut to $750,000 greenbacks to Taylor, Jack, and St. Vincent. This can also have an effect on her internet worth. However, it does not undermine her success and the fantastic strides she's made in 9 months alone. Of course, with music, there may be merch, and followers have been speedy to snag Olivia's drops for sour. She has a line of merchandise presenting lyrics and motifs from her hit songs, and I would not be amazed if she used to be making masses off it because, personally, I prefer to cop it all. Thanks for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel, like and share. Please press the bell icon for latest videos.